Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your mobile app with React Native, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your mobile app using React Native, first ensure you have a backup of your existing project. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the root directory of your React Native project. Check for the latest version of React Native by visiting the official documentation. Once you have the version number, open your package.json file. Update the React Native version in the dependencies section. Next, save the changes to your package.json file. To install the updated version, run the command npm install or yarn install based on your package manager. After installation, clear the cache to prevent any issues. You can do this by running npm start reset cache or yarn start reset cache. Once the cache is cleared, you need to update native code if necessary. For iOS, navigate to the iOS folder and run pod install to ensure CocoaPods are updated. For Android, open the Android folder and check for any required updates in the Gradle files. After updating, return to your app's root directory. Run your app using the command npx react native run Android for Android or npx react native run iOS for iOS. Monitor the terminal for any errors during the build process. If errors arise, troubleshoot them as per the error messages provided. Once the app builds successfully, launch it on your device or emulator. Test the app thoroughly to ensure all features work as expected. If your app integrates third-party libraries, check for compatibility updates on their respective documentation. Finally, commit your changes to version control. Congratulations, you've upgraded your mobile app with React Native. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.